Hey guys, welcome to my very first video. Here we have the iPad Pro 2018. I got the 11-inch, 256 gigabytes Wi-Fi. I got it from another country, so it was around 130 CAD, Canadian dollars. So it's made in China, assembled by Apple. Assembled in China and designed by Apple in California. The usual. So as you open it up, excuse me, I'm just struggling a little bit. So as you open it, so what happened was my sister had already tested it to see if it works. So it's okay. So it says ciao. And it's really pretty. I'll just remove the plastic right there. Oh, ASMR, never forget. Let me see what I can do. Here you go. This is the iPad. It's a giant slab of glass on a bigger slab of metal. So I'll just open up the booklet. It's just basically literature. So the first one is in French. It says the iPad Pro. It's just basically about Face ID and the control panel. And it's all in French, so I don't speak it. Je m'appelle Kevin. Alright, so as you open it up, so now we have the version in English. It's basically the same. It's just the basics about Face ID and control panel. You know, it's just the very basics. You basically don't even need to tell us. Alright, so here then we find a Apple sticker, you know, the classic Apple sticker. It's found in every single iPad device. It's kind of fascinating. Right, here we have a Type-C charger. It's a 9-volt Type-C fast charger. It's a really good thing Apple decided to give the fast charger along with the iPad. The iPhone X and the iPhone XS did not come with the fast charger, so it's a very good and very wanted inclusion. It's a Type-C to Type-C. Quite nice. And here we have a Type-C USB to a Type-C USB. It's quite a nice cable. It's quite nice. It's soft and regular. You can see me struggle with the thingy a little bit. Alright, so here we have the USB cable, USB-C to USB-C. It's a regular cable. It's about, I think it's about 1 meter long. It's a nice cable. And the USB dock. Now let me just put these things aside and bring out the iPad. This is the iPad. A giant slab of metal with just glass on it. It's really a marvel of engineering, to be honest. How they've cramped up so much technology in such a thin chassis. It says ciao in it. Alright, so I'm gonna start that again. Alright, now it's back on. That's just really nice, soft metal. I think I chose the wrong language. English. So I selected the region of India. Quick start. Set it up manually. English, India. Expecting English US, but English India will do. It says it may take a few minutes. Take a minute. Alright, so it says data and privacy, Face ID. Set up Face ID. I'll just take it aside for a second. Okay. Alright, I'll let you guys see how it's done. It's quite nice. It's worked almost every single time. I would say it's better than what I have on my Samsung. Just put in a password real quick. PS, it's not 1234 or 0000. Alright, update. Just set it up as a new iPad. I struggle here a bit with my Apple ID. I need to set it up for the first time. After a little bit of deliberation, I failed to set it up, so I'll set it up later. Just agree to the terms and conditions. Alright, Express settings. We'll just go through these settings real quick. Continue. Let's keep here, so it's just gonna check for my new update. Obviously, there's a newer update. The iPad OS is also coming out this September, so I'm excited for that. It's quite promising. And here we have the two-tone display. It's really a marvelous thing. The way they've developed two-tone display, it balances out the light in your room, and it equalizes the white balance and puts an ease to your eyes. It's quite remarkable technology. Here you have the two-tone display. Here's an example. I don't know if you can really see it. Alright, so it's just telling you how the new iPad's gonna work. The usual. Switch between apps, quick access controls, back onto the iPad. Swipe up, and here we have it. The 2018 iPad Pro in 2019. So that's about it. Thank you.